audio from visual model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn a very simple yet really effective SEO optimization that you can do on the free Yoast SEO WordPress plugin to empower your WooCommerce store. Okay, so it's gonna help you to make your products appears more on the right search results page on Google. Okay, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us. Okay, after this, go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have installed your WooCommerce plugin on your site, you already have products on your store, okay, and you already have installed the Yoast SEO plugin on your site. In the case that you don't know how to install these plugins, there is a playlist on the Visual Model YouTube channel, both for Yoast SEO and for WooCommerce, where you can learn from and learn how to install, how to set up. After this, there is a very hidden feature of Yoast SEO that you can access from the WordPress left sidebar of menus. Next to settings, there is a menu called Yoast SEO. Hover a mouse over it and click into the settings submenu. Right here, you're going to be able to find a couple of important settings on the Yoast SEO. Review this middle sidebar, and into the content type options, we have homepage, posts, pages, and other custom post types that you may have. And in the case that you have installed WooCommerce on your site, you have products. Click on products, and here you can customize the default and the global search engine appearance of your WooCommerce store products. Show products in search results, of course we want that, okay? SEO title, so title, page, separator, site title, it's up to you. You can customize this in the case that you want. You can insert some variable, okay, in the case that you want as well. We can have options to change the social media appearance in the case that you are into the pro version, but scroll down just a little bit more and go to schema, okay, just like this. Determine how your products should be described by default in your site's schema org markup. Click right here, and you're gonna need to read this post to understand more about schema markup. This is a very important way that Google reads and structures data. But if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to see a description. We have post type and description, and there is item page by default. All the WordPress WooCommerce comes by web page because it's the default post type. It's useful for every kind of content, but our products are not a default web page. They are an item page, a page specific about a single item or thing. A page about a product is a specific page about a single item, such as product or a hotel. So, in my case, all the WooCommerce pages are item pages, okay? We can have the option to remove or add the SEO controls. I recommend that you set this as on. And now, save your changes. Now we're going to be using the item page schema markup for all your WooCommerce products, and Google will better understand the contents as products, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!